So I'm really excited to see all of your work. That POP block casting is the best. What all of you are doing. Texture also very good. Yeah. So now today I'm going to show you some composition of these blocks. Okay. What to do in the next lesson. So today lesson I'm going to show you by drawing what we are going to do. So one thing you learn texture on the board. So that project we do in the future. So keep ready at least one small board with the texture. Any texture you can make. And size of the board take approx 12 inch, 8 inch. Not very small, but 8 inch by 12 inch or 8 inch by 16 inch, like that. But bigger than 8 to 10 inch. Okay. So that board keep ready with the texture and keep it side. Now the second POP assignment I have given you to make a block. So this is my block. See the sound. It's dry, fully dry. So sound you can see. Yeah. So this way you have to dry. And make these blocks only with the water. Don't add Fevicol. Okay. Now here, today lesson, I'm explaining you. Then you keep ready. And I also make separately those blocks because already method you know. And how to use these blocks to make something in a very advanced level. What we are learning in IIT. What composition we have learned, that I'm going to show you. Okay. So see, this is one, just think this is a chart paper or blackboard. So what you do, make a block with some old, like you have a paper tube, then make like a tube block. Take any paper round and fill there and make. So not very big, at least 4 inch height or whatever. Everything I will write down in the comment section. Then make some small blocks. Okay, cylinder, blocks, then this, all of you already made this kind of thing. Yeah, blocks you can make different size, long blocks like this way, or cylinder, yeah, this, or whatever shape you get. So at least 7 to 8 piece you make. One bottom piece, base should be little bigger, that we make later, but average size is 4 inch, 5 inch, 3 inch, 2 inch, whatever, 7 to 8 piece you make. If I told 7 to 8 piece, so if you are taking 4 inch, 5 inch, some are 3 inch, some are use some soap box, 2 inch, like that, approx any size. Don't worry about the size, but not very big. Why? Then once you have a ready all these blocks, okay, then even you can make a circle like this way. Take some bowl and then remove it. Take some Pepsi small bottle, make like that. Okay. So if you're ready, not necessary 7 to 8, even 6 also. Okay. Let's go for the 6. Now what we do after that, we are going to make a sculpture assembling this composition. So we make composition of blocks. You can't read this, but I will write in the comment section. Okay, we make composition of blocks and we make abstract sculpture. This is our project with this, and this is a very, very creative artistic sculpture which we only study in very higher education. I am showing you little fast, but at least the root and secrets I am showing you. So once you're ready, then I will show you how to make these sculpture in a composition different way. Okay, 1 minute. Sketch pen I am taking, the sketch pen. So I will show you, like suppose this is a cylinder, circle, okay, then some box, some different shape, some small item, here also some item, here some item, like that. We are going to make a nice sculpture like this way, abstract sculpture. Yeah. So this is a kind of branding. If you want to create your thought and ideas, you can assemble in this. Those of you who have joined my earlier course 40 days, I have showed you the still life composition of blocks. Remember, The similar way here, practical with things we are making and we are going to assemble. So ready those 6 piece or 7 piece and update in the comment section. So next lesson we are going to make a abstract sculpture, your own creation, and everybody has a different creation. So here see the drawing from close view. These small item you make separately. Then after that we assemble all these and we make a sculpture. Even tiny you make. Okay. So this main pillar, main one, this one you don't take bigger than 8 inch. Approx 7 inch, 8 inch like this. So if you have any paper roll, then you can fill the POP in this paper roll and after drying tear this paper roll. Okay. Or you can take any Pepsi bottle, but thin Pepsi bottle, and after that cut that Pepsi bottle once that dry the POP. So these things you make. The bottom part we do it later on. So keep ready all these small blocks, different shape of blocks. Any shapes you can take, that's good. Okay, so thank you. This is Kawita. I'm happy to share the more I'm practicing with my client or for giving my client work for my exhibitions. So that this is a different kind of learning. Yes, please share your experience. Okay, so really thank you, and I'm happy all of you are participating, and I'm really interested if you are share your knowledge, your learning experience with more and more people. I'm really happy. Tag my Facebook, Kawita Dayal, when you are posting, post some work and share your experience and let the people know. So maybe you can help someone else who really need this training for their further interview, or they want to take admission in some bigger art college. So these things are helpful for them. Yeah, for art college, for NID, for IIT, for JJ, like these colleges, they have entrance tests. So this is helpful for them. Okay, so get ready and come back. Thank you. See you.